Hello guys, at the very outset, thank you so much for the overwhelming response to my previous video on journalism where I shared my experience with budding scribes, and the positive response, the positive feedback that I've got to that video has kind of emboldened me to come back, and this time I want to talk on the in thing, which is digital media. Well, with due respect to the print version and the audiovisual version, I think digital media is dominating the entire journalistic space, and it's very interesting that every budding journalist, almost every budding journalist, wants to be part of this rat race, wants to be part of this captured competition called the digital media. But guys, it's a very tough job, because in digital media, pace is very important. It's of paramount importance. Once you get a story, first ensure that it's broken with a catchy headline and with the right keywords, and your story has to be backed by a very solid social media team which can actually spread the word around, share the story on various social media platforms, again with proper hashtags. So it's basically a team effort at the end of the day. Well, people talk about what should I say, impeccable articles, flawless articles, but when you're actually competing with the best, when you're actually sort of part of a zone which challenges you every now and then, you need to first, as I said, you need to be very aware of speed. First, as I said, I reiterate, come out with the article, and then you have the luxury of editing and re-editing a piece. I personally feel that in any profession, you have to challenge yourself every now and then. You have to raise your bar. You may be starting off, but if you think that you are inferior to none, that kind of gives you a lot of confidence, that kind of instills that killer instinct in you, and that helps you in the longer run. I remember I was working for a portal 3-4 years back, and it was a kind of a, what should I say, it was taking baby steps. It was a new entrant, but we as a team wanted to sort of be at par with the biggest of portals, be it the BBC or HT or Times of India, and there were occasions when we were ahead of the rest. I dare not equate myself with these renowned portals. Obviously they have a bigger team, but whatever you have, if you think that yes, within my limited resources, I want to be the best, you can actually be the best. And this applies in any profession, whether you're a cricketer or a singer or an actor. And there are plenty of examples of individuals who have always kind of looked at bigger challenges, and they have never been contained at what they have got, and that is the reason why they have reached the pinnacle, and they have gone beyond that. So don't consider yourself to be ordinary. What differentiates between an ordinary person and an extraordinary person is that passion factor. And you need to be obsessed with your job. You need to be in love with the job. It's not a question of what you are doing. If your job demands that you be on the feet almost 24 hours a day, just rise to the occasion, live up to that, and just don't take it as a job, because I have seen many careers getting destroyed because of that archaic mentality, for that, what should I say, lackadaisical mentality. So it's important that you rise beyond the stereotypes and get going and conquer the world. What else, guys? If you really want to aspire to be a digital media journalist, then all the best, but certain criteria have to be followed, and I really hope that I have been sort of clear enough. Once again, God bless you all. Be part of competition, challenge yourself every now and then, and never ever give up, never ever throw your hands in despair. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, thanks for hearing me out. Well, journalism is the only thing probably that I know on this earth, and I really get berserk when I'm expected to speak on journalism. So God bless you all, and have a great Sunday.